Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own liquid matte lipstick at home similar to market products in an affordable range. So as we are making matte lipstick, so here I'm using this baby powder today. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest beauty updates. To prepare this, we need any foundation, baby powder, olive oil, and finally you need any food color. Now let's see how to prepare this. Take any foundation and add some foundation according to the quantity you want to make the liquid matte lipstick. I am preparing small amount, so I am adding this much of foundation. Next, add any food color, or you can also add any eyeshadow powder. It's your choice. Now I'm mixing it well, and if you want it to be a bit darker shade, then add some more food color. Next, I'm going to add olive oil. Olive oil helps to moisturize our lips. Just add few drops of olive oil as we are making it into matte lipstick. So it's enough. Now mix it well. So with the help of old lipstick applicator, I'm swatching it on back of my hand. So I'm swatching it on my hand. You can see it turned into beautiful lip shade peachy color. It's my favorite color. Now I'm going to add some baby powder to make it into matte lipstick. So add a very little amount of this baby powder. Mix it very well. Now our DIY liquid matte lipstick is ready. Now let us swatch it. You can see how beautiful it is. So similarly you can prepare whatever shade you want. So the lipstick which I have swatched, the first one is without baby powder and the second one is with baby powder. So that's it guys, this is how to prepare your liquid matte lipstick at home. So hope you like this video, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye.